Hey everyone, I'm Vasu Sen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Donobu, and I'm here to show you a brief demo of how we can use Donobu to author and maintain self-healing Playwright tests. We use Donobu to author this test for this website. Let's say we're testing this survey form, which is a bunch of fields, and we want to make sure that the survey can be submitted. And let's add a prompt. Fill out the survey with fake data and go through the submission process until you hit a thank you page. And let's kick off the test. So Donobu opens a browser and its control panel and starts testing. You're going to see the Donobu agent automatically navigate the survey. So it is filling out the survey with made-up data. It went to the next page, and it's submitted. That's the end of the test, and you can see the test here. It's created in a series of steps that can be viewed also in this canvas view, or, for our purposes, code that is exported into a GitHub CI/CD pipeline. So I have added the code generated by Donobu Studio to our GitHub test repo, and it's here. Now, when we go to GitHub Actions, we can run this test. And you could see, I just ran it earlier, you could see the results where the test passed. Now, suppose the survey changed. What then? So let's toggle the survey. Now, instead of occupation, it's asking for age group, and a bunch of other fields have changed. But we still want the test to only check if the survey can be filled and submitted. So let's rerun this test. Go to GitHub Actions, go to the basic test, and we're going to trigger a new test. We expect Donobu agent to detect that the test failed and then figure out the intent and self-heal. You can see here that the test finished. And if you go to the report this time, instead of pass, it will have a self-heal flag. That will show what exactly happened. That the test tried to execute, it failed because it couldn't find the right element, and then it tried to figure out what's going on. Also, because the test self-healed, you will see a pull request with the fixes applied. So if you open the test here, you can see that it updated the survey fields. For example, the occupation dropdown changed to age, and so did the relevant selectors get updated. This way, the test still passes, and now we have a self-healing test. When Donobu runs these tests, it pipes the responses to Slack. We work where your team works, GitHub, Slack, and your own code editor locally. Thank you.